Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. This is my go-to way and hopefully it will be yours too. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My brow game has been getting better. I'm gonna pat myself because I am so proud of myself. I can't believe there was one point where I did nothing to my brows and then I did too much to my brows, and now I'm kind of like in a happy medium. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this natural fluffy eyebrow look. Something like that. I'll figure out the wording later on. We're keeping it simple, only 2 products. I am like a low maintenance girl on certain things, and eyebrows is one of them. I just need to quickly do it and get going because the eyes are the part that take me the longest. Not the complexion, it's the eyes. So I like to use the least amount of products for my eyes, whether it's for my actual eyes or for my eyebrows. So this is not like a 5-step, 5 products to achieve beautiful brows. It's 2 products, that's it. Continue watching if you want to find out my go-to way on how to achieve natural fluffy eyebrows. My look looks so weird right now because my hair is done, you know, I'm dressed, makeup's on, but then my eyebrows aren't. It's just a really weird look to see that in the viewfinder. But anyway, let me zoom you guys on in so you guys are up close and personal, but not too close. And let's get into this. Okay, I think that's close enough. I don't want it to be too close where you can see up my nostrils, but close where you can see the actual tutorial. Man, I'm still trying to figure out the lighting situation. Oh, it was so much easier at the other place. I feel like my face is too exposed. Hopefully I can fix that with editing, but it's kind of messing it up. I think this is better. My face doesn't look overexposed. But going back to the brow products, there are only 2. I really want to keep this simple and just what I've been really enjoying in creating this natural fluffy brow look. Now there's another way to do it as well, but this way has been like my current favorite way. Let's go in with the Refi Beauty Brow Sculpt. I talked about this brand before. I did a whole entire review and wear test. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave it right here. I've also mentioned this video in summer favorites. If you guys missed that, I'll leave the video right here. This product is so good. It holds your brow hairs in place. Now, I have very stubborn eyebrow hairs. They don't like to stay up. No matter what I do, there's only a small handful of products that actually keep them up from morning to night, and this is one of them. This is worth the price. I love the packaging. It's very unique. You open the top, and there's a brush on one side and kind of like a little curved comb. And then if you twist, that is where you will find the gel. It is white and it dries out clear. For anyone that has very dark eyebrows, like even darker than mine, where you just have more hair, lucky you, this might show a white residue. Someone has actually mentioned that in a different video of mine. I will say you have to be careful not to overdo it with this gel. Warning you on that, but besides that, an amazing product that lasts all day. I learned this technique from Jess Hunt because this is her brand and her product, but I put the gel on first. The reason why is so you get your eyebrow hairs in the place that you want it to be versus doing this last and setting it, which totally blew my mind because I didn't even think of it that way, and ever since that video I've been doing it this way every single time. I'm brushing the hair up and then going towards the tail, I'm brushing it out. You can already see a difference where this side looks like my brow is thicker and bushier, where this one not so much. So it already gives that illusion that I have fluffier eyebrows, even though I really don't. But we can pretend, you know? That's the beauty with makeup, and that's why it's so much fun. Then I like to go to the brush side and kind of just like laminate them against my skin to just stay in place. This is just an extra step. Just with the gel, the difference is insane. Now, this gel does feel stiff, but you can still move your eyebrows and everything, but when you touch it, it's a bit crunchy, just so you guys know. And the last product I'm using is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is just going to fill in my brows. What I really like about this, I actually got it maybe a month ago and I didn't use it too much. I'm not very good at using a brush tip. I even tried the drugstore options, but this one is so much better. And the main reason why, one, it doesn't pull too warm. That's a big thing for me with eyebrow products. A lot of times I will go for whatever is brown, and it typically is too warm and has too much like red to it. And this, if I'm remembering correctly, there are quite a few options. I have Cool Cookie, which is a neutral brown, because I didn't want to go with black. I don't want my eyebrows to make that much of a statement where you only see my eyebrows and nothing else. And when I do a darker color like that, it's kind of too much for my features, where I need something just a little bit lighter. And also this doesn't have too much pigment to it. And the drugstore ones have too much pigment where it's basically a liquid pencil, and that's not what I'm going for, and this is perfect. One side is the ink stain, which is perfect because one, it's not too pigmented, two, the tip is not too long, it's thin enough, and then the other side is the pencil. And this pencil, although I don't use it as much because I don't think it's necessary to use both of them, it is thin enough and it's like the type of tip that I go for. Don't forget to shake it up first. I like to start about here. To me, the hardest part is right here because you don't want it to look too boxy. And then I go in this motion. And you're kind of just doing like quick little swipes. And you don't need to put too much pressure. Just like that. Don't do any more. A lot of us can be heavy-handed where you just want to keep going and going. Totally get it. There are moments where you have to like step back, assess the face, see how it looks, and it probably looks good and you don't need to do anymore. And then with the spoolie brush, this one's just from e.l.f. I'm kind of just going to blend a little more. So maybe if there were a couple lines that were a little too harsh, you just do this and blend everything. Man, what a difference. Even though it's not a crazy difference, you can definitely see my one brow looks thicker and just more full, and it's so pretty, and it just looks really natural and realistic, and that's just kind of where I've been going and what I've been enjoying. So same thing with the other side. And this is what my brows look like. Man, do they look so beautiful, so full, so fluffy. I've been really enjoying this look. I can't believe there was a time I made my brows just so dark and closer to my actual hair color, because this to me looks more natural and just closer to what my brows actually look like. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I really want to keep it simple. Only 2 products. I really don't think you need more than that. And you can achieve a really beautiful, natural, fluffy look by just using 2 products. So I'll have these products linked down below. And if you did enjoy this video, definitely like it and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!